What happened? I have to go jump the cat box.
I burp very loud. In public, in private.
Care?
Thank you guys so much for watching this little get.
Tells me that it's so freaking good and this and that and this and that. Girl, I've had bomb ass Chinese. Excuse me. Oh, 3. It low-key wasn't that good. She went back into the bathroom. Last night we were up till what, like 2:30? 2:30 in the morning.
Там мало процентов, я забыла. Да, клубника нормально.
To everyone who wants to be skinny.
Pardon.
This is a mockery.
Pardon.
Chugging the shit out of us just to force burps. Probably not the best thing to do. This annoying bitch at my school, we'll call her Headgear, because she's in wrestling. But anytime someone burps, she's always like, 5 out of 10. Shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna do a compilation of all my burps today.
Okay, dude. Solid 10 out of 10, but good lord. Who's up here?
Anyways, I was close.
Oh shit.
Had the burp really bad, so I go. Sure.
Sorry.
Oh, fuck yeah. That milkshake. I just drank a Coke, sorry. Always have this, but that was like a 6 out of 10.
Another. That was weak.
That was
Invite friends over for wings and then just get fucking loaded.
Hopefully they're not watching.
Don't.